Welcome to this video, where we will walk through how to change the start page settings in the MI browser on your phone. This guide will help you switch between the regular and simple. First, unlock your phone and open the MI browser. Next, look toward the bottom right side and tap on the profile icon. Then, observe at the top right corner where you will find the settings icon. Tap it to open the full list of options. After that, navigate to the section labeled Start Page Settings. Inside this menu, you will see two available options. The first option is the regular start page, which provides the full layout. The second option is the simple start page, offering a minimal and cleaner design. Choose the start page style that works best for your needs by tapping on your preferred option. Once selected, the MI browser will immediately apply your chosen layout. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others.